Today I have brought you all an easy snack recipe, Methi Mathri. It's very easy to make, very less ingredients are there. Please go through the ingredients list and after that we shall see the preparation. For making this Mathri, we need 2 cups of maida or all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of kasoori methi, 1 teaspoon of ajwain, 2 teaspoon of crushed pepper, 3 tablespoon of ghee, 2 tablespoon of gram flour, 3 tablespoon of oil, salt to taste, and I have taken 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon of water. Now we shall see the preparation. First we have to make a dough. For that, take a big bowl. Here I have taken 2 cups of maida or all-purpose flour. For 2 cups of maida, we need 2 tablespoons of gram flour. Gram flour will make the Mathri more crispy. Add 1 teaspoon of ajwain or carrom seed. Here I am adding 2 teaspoons of crushed black pepper. You can adjust the amount of black pepper according to the spice level you need. 1 tablespoon of kasoori methi. Salt to taste. We have to mix all these dry ingredients really well. To this, we have to add 3 tablespoons of ghee and 3 tablespoons of refined oil. If you don't want to add ghee, you can use full oil. We have to mix flour, ghee and oil very well together. This oil and ghee should reach each and every part of flour. When we press the flour, it should hold the shape. If it breaks easily, that means we need more oil and ghee. Now we have to add water little by little and make a very tough dough. Here I had to use 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon of water. We should make it firm dough. Then only we will get a crispy Mathri. If the dough becomes soft, Mathri will also become soft, just like a puri. We have to knead the dough really well. Now our dough is ready. It's really firm. This dough should rest at least for 15 minutes. Now it's been 15 minutes. Our dough is ready. Knead once again, and we have to make small balls or Mathris out of this dough. Make small balls and press it between your palms. there may be cracks on the edges. That is completely normal. Like that we have to make all the matris ready to fry. Now we have to fry these matris. First we have to heat some oil in a pan. Important point to be noted here is the flame should be very low while you fry the matris. Otherwise the outer portion will get burned very fast and the inside portion will not get cooked. For getting a crispy matri, heat should be very low. Turn the matris in between so that all the sides get equal color and cooking time. It will take at least 10 to 15 minutes for the matris to be ready, as we are frying it in very low heat, but it will be very crispy. Now our matris are ready. We have to remove it from oil and transfer it to a bowl. Rest of the matris also to be fried like this. These matris are very tasty. It have a strong flavor of methi. This matris we can store in an airtight container for at least 1 month. I shall show you how crispy these matris are. See? Inside also cooked really well. Everybody, please do try this recipe at home and let me know. Thank you.